So this is the intro to a video y'all gonna watch on the accessories of a commuter bill. So my computer bill, all the accessories that I got, I just laid it out. It's a long video. But when you tackle wanting to build or restore a bicycle, you kind of don't realize how many parts and accessories you need. So just enjoy the video. It's long, but thank y'all for tuning in. Next up, I got a chain and a cassette. The cassette was $15 off of Amazon. Screw on cassette, old school style. And then the chain was $7. Trying to stay within budget. These tires here, I got both these tires off of Amazon for 10 or 20 bucks. So $10 a tire, but 20 bucks. They're 26, or they're supposed to be 26-inch 2.1 tires, street tires, and they got flames on them, but I couldn't beat the price. Using the same tubes that came off the bike, tubes were still good, so didn't have to get tubes. With all the thievery going on right now, I had to get a bike lock. I bid it on this one on eBay also, and I got it for 17 bucks. I think the price of this, I think it came to my door at 20 bucks, but good thick lock. I just got to get a cable to lock up my wheels, but I think overall a good deal. It came with two. These pedals here, I got off Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. Uh, guy's wife bought these for him, and he didn't want to use them, so I'm like, hey, I saw them. I was like, I could put these on the commuter bill. All right, got the bottom bracket here. Got this off Amazon Bellini for like 40 bucks. Here's the bottom bracket. That's the old one that I took off the bike here. So I'm working with a 68 millimeter bottom bracket. So I took these spacers off of it because it'd be 68 millimeter. All right, I'm not a bike flipper. I mean, this is my first commuter build, and got me thinking, like, once I got it built, it was like, man, how are people gonna see me, you know? So trying to stay in budget. So I turned to AliExpress while there isn't tariffs going on just yet. But anyway, got this light here for like 17, maybe $15. And I got this tail light here. If you can see the back of it here. This was like 6 bucks. And I got some of these reflectors. These reflectors, you get 4 of them. I think I got it like $1.50. I mean, they're small, you know, but 4 of them, put 2 on the wheel. I have 1 on each wheel, so I'm gonna put, like, you know, extra 2 on each wheel. But yeah, just you know, just to be seen with people being preoccupied and everything, drivers and stuff. Just kind of like, you know, get something to catch their attention. But anyway, let's open up this tail light here. Here, let me bring it down. All right, let's see what comes in. See, I hadn't opened it, still got the tape on it. Let's see what comes with this tail light. Okay, got the light here. USB-C charging, which is cool. Got cables, and then you got your mounting. So this here, I think, would be the seat post mount that goes around the seat post, and then you can mount it on the railing of the seat. It's got some zip ties and stuff like that to help you mount it. Some foam here, I guess, to put on the back of something to keep it steady. See if it'll turn on. See if it's got any juice to turn on. Nope, it don't have any juice. If I gotta charge it up, it don't have any juice to it. But all right, I got this awesome repair kit from eBay for $10. It's Rock Brothers. Somebody was selling it on there, a bid and one. Just a repair kit, tool kit, patch kit. Came with a pump, an adapter, tire tools there. So couldn't beat that. I mean, so I think it came to my door, and plus you can mount it onto the bike. I think to my door it was with shipping and all like $12. All right, next is I got some fenders. Got these off Facebook Marketplace for $7. So couldn't beat the price. The guy said he had them and he just didn't want them on his bike anymore, didn't like them. So hey, I'm going to Commuter bill. Man, I got this front fender off of AliExpress. It's pretty neat. So if your tire and fork is like you got skinny distance, like you're using a super fat tire on your fork, and it's like the tire's barely almost hitting the top of the fork, but you can want to put a fender on. This company here makes a front and rear fender, just the same design, and this kind of goes behind the fork and will cuff the back of the tire so you don't get anything on you, and it screws. So this part here comes apart like that. So pretty neat design. Got this off of AliExpress for, I think it was like $3.50. But pretty cool design. So this is the size of this basket on this Commuter bill. I mean, I didn't think it would be that big when I bought it. Bought off of Facebook Marketplace. But kind of wonder, should I just use the hardware that's on the basket and get a smaller basket or what? But got the side rails and stuff all painted up. Kind of decide on, should I use that same basket or not? But yeah, I got them paint up black. I got to put some clear coat on them, and it should be ready to put back together. But like I said, got to get a different basket. Hey, thank you for watching the end of the video. Yeah, what this is just give you an idea of when you're trying to rebuild, what kind of accessories go into this. I didn't have any idea. Um, and I just had to start thinking like, I'm gonna be riding this bike out in like public, and the thieves and everything else and the elements, and what would turn this into a commuter to go get like groceries or dinner or ride to work or something like that. So um yes, so that's my build list or accessories, and it goes a little deeper, but I'll get in that to probably the next video. But thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe. Just usually a motocross channel, mountain bike channel, but just decided to do this little project here in between uh in between the seasons of supercross and motocross. But thank you again. See you in the next one.